In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Venmo's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web browser and then head on over to venmo.com. Now from here, you want to click on the three horizontal bars on the top right hand corner of the page and then scroll down. And then you'll see Help Center. Go ahead and click onto Help Center. And now scroll down again. And then what we need to look for is the Contact Us button. So it'll be at the bottom of the page here. And now once you're inside the Venmo Help Center, we need to scroll down and then you'll be able to see there's a chat with us here. So you can navigate to Get Help section of the Venmo app and select Contact Us for the option to chat with a teammate. Teammates are available between 8 AM and 10 PM. So you can use the Venmo app to do so, or if you'd rather just give them a call. So you can give them a call on this number and say you'd like to be transferred or speak to a customer service or support team member, and they'll be able to direct you with that call.